Practical activity 8.41, open macro dot. Click on the buttons in the macro example worksheet and see what the macros do. Create macro suggestion in the workbook. So over here, technically, let me just turn this off. These macros are not somehow working. So we have to make a macro. Let's just sort by letter. So what I can do is I can simply come into view, macros, record macro, and I can name this as sort by letter. Now it's recording. All I have to do is click somewhere here, and I'm going to sort this from A to Z, right? And what will I do is I'll come to view and I'll stop recording. Then what I'll do is I'll make another macro, record macro, and I'll name this as sort by numbers. Okay, I'm recording this, and I'll go to home, and I'll click somewhere over here, and I'll say is sort smallest to largest, and sorted. Come to view, and I'll stop the recording. Since these buttons are not working, I'll tell you how to make one. So you need to have the developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab, you'll simply come into options. You'll come into customize ribbon, and you will see the developer here. You simply have to click on this and press OK. It will be activated. So in the developer tab, I'll come here, insert, and I'll make a button. So I'll make a button here, and the button is going to ask me, do you want to attach a macro? Yes, I will say here, the first one is sort by letter, and I'll say OK. Now, if I click on this, it's so by macros have to be enabled. You can try it on your own, okay? And the same way I am going to, so you can try. I'll just see if we can do something about it and sort by numbers. Okay, click on this, have it disabled. Let me check. My macros are disabled. Let me show you this as well. So I can come into trust center and macros enabled. Macros are enabled. Maybe some because of some other settings. So you can try and you can let me know as well.